Samsung is creating quite a buzz with the upcoming launch of its Galaxy S24 series on January 17. Even before the official unveiling, leaks and rumors are giving us a glimpse of what to expect. The S24 Ultra, in particular, stands out with a sleek flat-screen design, a departure from its curved predecessor. It also introduces refined aesthetics and a new camera setup, swapping the 10x periscope lens for a powerful 50-megapixel telephoto lens. Beneath the surface, the S24 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, while the standard S24 and S24 Plus may use Samsung's Exynos 2400 in certain regions. Leaks suggest advanced AI features, making these phones a tech enthusiast's dream. Though official details and pricing remain a mystery, these new models promise a blend of elegance and cutting-edge technology, appealing to both loyal Samsung fans and newcomers. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the big reveal.